Namaste. In the last class, we have studied division with a regrouping, division with a remainder, and verification of division. Isn't it? Yes. Now we are going to discuss about word problems based on division. Okay. See the first question. There are 4070 muffins. Jocelyn packs 6 muffins in each box. How many boxes will she need to pack all the muffins? Will there be any left out muffins? See, what's the meaning of this question? What is that? There are 4070 muffins. How many muffins? 4070 muffins. Then, what is meant by muffins? Muffins means a type of a cake, spongy cake. Okay. See, there are 4070 muffins. How many muffins? 4070. Then, Jocelyn packs 6 muffins in each box. One box, how many muffins Jocelyn packs? 6 muffins Jocelyn packs. Then, how many boxes will she need to pack all the muffins? How many boxes will she need to pack these 4070 muffins? In one box, 6 muffins. That way, how many boxes will she need to pack these 4070 muffins? That is the first question. Then one more question. Will there be any left out muffins? After packing, that is one pack, 6 muffins. After packing of these 4070 muffins, how many muffins are left out? That is the second question. Okay. Next, how to write the steps? See, how to write the steps? That is, total number of muffins is equal to, that is given. What is given? Total number of muffins is given. So, total number of muffins is equal to 4070. Then, a number of muffins in one box is given. Number of muffins in a box is 6. Number of muffins in a box is 6. Then, how many boxes will she need to pack? Number of boxes needed. That is the first question. Then second question. After packing these 4070 muffins, how many muffins left out? Okay. Then, see the steps. Total number of muffins is equal to 4070. Then a number of muffins in a box is equal to 6. Then a number of boxes needed is equal to 4070 divided by 6 is equal to, see, 4070 divided by 6. Then first 4. 4 divided by 6. Is it possible? No, because this 4 is smaller number comparing to this divisor 6. So we take these two numbers together. 40. How many times? Here. See how many times? 40 has how many? 6. Yes. 6 6 are 36. 7 6 are 42. So here only 40. So we take 6 6 are 36. Then subtract 40 minus 36. 0 minus 6. Is it possible to subtract? No. We take 1 from left side. Here left side is 4. After taking 1, the number becomes 3. Then here the number becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. here 0. Then this 7 is here. Then 47 has how many 6? 6 6 are 36. 7 6 are 42. 8 6 are 48. Here only 47. So we take 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. Then 7 subtraction. 7 minus 2, 5. Then 4 minus 4, 0. This 0 is here, that is 50. Then this 50 has how many 6? 8 6. 8 6 are 48 or 6 8 are 48. Then 9 6 are 54. Here only 50. So we take 8 times. 8 6 are 48. Balance 2. 50 minus 48 balance 2. Here 5 is here. 0 minus 8 is not possible. So 5 is here. After taking 1, this 5 becomes 4 and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 4, 0. Then answer is 678 boxes. Then here 50 minus 48 is answer 2. That is 0 minus 8 is not possible. We take 1 from left side. After taking 1, this left side becomes 4. Then here 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 4, 0. Then 2 is balance here. Then answer is 678. A number of muffins left out. That is 2 muffins left out. A number of muffins left out is equal to 2. That balance is 2. Okay. How many boxes needed? 678 boxes needed. Okay. Next you see the second question. Vinod had rupees 2252 with him. And he divided this money equally among 7 children. Then how much money did each child get? How much money was left? What's the meaning of this question? See, Vinod had rupees 2252 with him. How many rupees? 2000. Vinod had how many rupees? 2252 rupees. Then he divided this money equally among 7 children. He divided this money to how many children? 7 children. Then how much money did each child get? See, this amount is divided into 7 children. Then we find how much money did each child get. In one child, how much money get? How much money left? Balance how many rupees? That is, this amount divided into 7 children, divided equally among 7 children, and balance how many rupees? Okay, each child get how many rupees? That is the first question. And second one, how many rupees left? That is the second question. Okay. How to write the steps? See, money, what is given? 2252. The money with Vinod is given. Money with Vinod is given. Then Then a number of children is given, that is 7. Then money with each child, that is the first question that we have to find. Then second one, how many rupees are left out, that is the second question. See the steps. Money with Vinod is equal to rupees 2252. Then a number of children is equal to 7. Then money with each child is equal to, here total amount is given, number of children given, we have to find one child. Total amount is given, we have to find money with each child, money with one child. In multiplication, one child is given, we have to find total amount, that is multiplication. Here a division means total is given, we have to find 1, that is division. Okay, see, we have to find money with each child, that is 2252 divided by 7. So, see, 2252 divided by 7. First we take this 2. 2 is divided by 7. Is it possible to divide? No, because this 2 is small comparing to this divisor, isn't it? So we take two numbers together, that is 22. 22 has how many sevens? Yes, 1 7 is 7, 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21, 4 sevens are 28. Here only 22. So 3 sevens are 21. That is 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Then this 5 is here. Then this 15 has how many sevens? 2 sevens, isn't it? 1 7 is 7, 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21. Here only 15. So we take only 2 sevens are 14. Then 15 minus 14, 1. That is 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Then this 2 is here. 2 is here. That is 12 has how many sevens? 12 has how many sevens? 1 7 is 7, 2 sevens are 14. Here only 12. So we take only 1. 1 7 is 7. Then 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7. What is the answer? Yes. 5 is the answer. Balance 5. Here each child gets how many rupees? Rupees 321 rupees. One child 321 rupees. Then balance money left out. Left out is equal to 5 rupees. Rupees 5. Okay, here total amount is this one. Vinod's share equally among 7 children. After sharing, only 5 rupees balance. Okay, see the question. Third question. A van can carry up to 8 people. In a van, how many people carrying? 8 people. Then, how many vans will be needed to carry 128 people? How many vans need to carry these 128 people? See, one van, only 8 people. That type of vans, how many vans need to carry these 128 people? Okay, here also a division, that is, here how to write the step? What is given? Number of people in a van is equal to 8, that is given. number of people in a van is equal to 8. Then total number of people is equal to 128. Total number of people is 128. Then what we have to find, that is how many vans will be needed. A number of vans needed is equal to this 128 divided by 8. See the steps. A number of people in a van is equal to 8. Then total number of people is equal to 128. Then a number of vans needed is equal to 128 divided by 8. How to divide 128 divided by 8? First, here only 1 divided by 8 is not possible. Then we take two digits together. That is 12. 12 divided by 8. 12 has how many 8? 180 is 8. 2 8s are 16. Here only 12. So 180 is 8. Then 12 minus 8. What is the answer? 12 minus 8 is 4. Then this 4 is here. 48 has how many 8s? 48 has how many 8s? That is 6. Yes. 6 8s are 48. Or 8 6 are 48. 6 8s are 48. 48 minus 48. Answer is, then balance is 0. Here the answer is 16. How many vans needed to carry these 128 people? 16 vans needed to carry. Okay, then that is it. Today we have studied word problems based on division. Okay, now the time to wind up. Namaste.